Hi, how are you? Thank you for you make a meeting for 2 weeks. I am very excited about the you meeting, and I hope in the future they will see another my project. This one is a small project. My project is 2 week. I make like this. Uh, First, I didn't know about Power BI, but when they come your training, I am very happy for your training and make a small project. Is my project is for work and an employee. How many sales like this sales and years. I, I bought years, for example, and I bought month uh, project sales little for my colleague they make Excel. Then I put everything there. This one for sales, how many sales, and this one everything. Budget, how many budget, like this. If you can, after I put photo, but I didn't have uh, country, how many country, like this for sales. Calendar, how when the sales, about the sales. After that I make some join, like days with days sales calendars, customer customer key and with sales key, project budget with the project and for key. Just little I make a small project. Thank you, and I will see in the futures, and maybe they will I'll use your company for this one dashboard. I have another dashboard, but not for sale. Form is uh, my duty, but is special. And I have a dashboard for Corona. Uh, okay, it's يعني I will go inshallah. I will go. Thank you and have a nice day and thank you.